Welcome to another video. So we have had a PR parcel turn up from Born Pretty. Haven't got a clue what is in here, can't remember. So it's going to be as much as a surprise for me as it is you. I really like how well the Born Pretty parcels come packed now as well, guys. They are really, really well packed. Never ever had anything turn up damaged. So let's have a little look what we got, shall we? So, like I said in my last Born Pretty video, I really like the Born Pretty new packaging as well. It's got such a more professional feel to it, hasn't it? Coming in boxes. I like it. Right, so I'm going to get these all unboxed because it doesn't tell you on the box what they are. So, oh, it does. I'm lying, it does. So this one is a Jelly Nude Gel. That one is a gel polish out of the Silky White series. This one is a Jelly Nude Gel. And this one is a Reflective Moonlight Magnetic Gel. Woohoo! Let's get these all unboxed. Right, they're all unboxed, ready to go. So we're going to give them a swatch and have a little look at them today. So we'll start off with the Silky White series gel polish first, colour CG078. So make sure you give these a really good shake, guys, before you use them. You've got your ingredients on the back there as well, if anyone wants those. Hopefully you can read that. Oh, that's a beautiful nude. I like it. That is a beautiful colour, isn't it? Love it. Next up, we've got the Jelly Nude Gel JN62. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. Let me try and show you the sparkle in it. Look at that. Gorgeous, sparkly jelly nude. Love it. Let me just show you that after one coat. So that's what it looks like after one coat. It's a really nice, light, milky pink. And then we'll take a look at it after two coats once that's cured. And then that's what it looks like after two coats. It's beautiful. Really, really sparkly. It's a lot more sparklier than what it looks on camera. Beautiful. And then it's still milky, but it is a lot more opaque than what it is after one coat. Can you see the difference? I mean, if you was to do 3 coats on that, that would probably be a full cover colour. You got to remember as well, this is on a clear swatch stick, guys. So if you was doing this on a natural coloured nail, it would be a little bit more opaque as well. But yeah, I think 3 coats of that and that would be a full cover colour. It's beautiful. I really like these shimmery nude jelly gels. We've got Jelly Nude Gel JN74. Ooh, that's a pretty colour. I like that. That is beautiful. Let me show you that like over a white. So it is a proper red jelly gel. But look at the shimmer in it. It's beautiful. Look at that. Stunning. Come on. Gorgeous. So I'm going to give that a cure, and then we'll give that a second coat and just take another look at it. And then that's what it looks like after 2 coats. I do prefer it after 2 coats. It just goes that slightly more deeper red, but it's got like a slight hint of purple to it as well. Oh, it's gorgeous. It looks a little bit more pinky on camera. It is more red. But look at the sparkliness in it. It's beautiful. Love that. I've not got anything like that. Gorgeous. Then next up, we've got the Reflective Moonlight Cat Magnetic Gel, RM06. So I'm going to swatch this one over a black first, because we all know cat eyes always look better over a black. But I will try it over a clear as well, guys, just to see what it's like. Oh, this is a beautiful colour just on its own. Gorgeous colour. Oh, beautiful. Look at that just on its own. Oh, look at the light coming through on that. Wow. Ooh, look at it with no cat eye showing. Look at that deep, dark, purple. Gorgeous. Wow, and then look at it with the cat eye. Look at that. Pop that in the lamp. Just have a quick look at this over a clear as well. This magnet is so strong. I will leave the link for it in my description box. Look at that. Beautiful, even over a clear, isn't it? I like it. Give that a cure. Right, guys, now we're going to take a quick look at this Super Base Gel, this is called. Now, this Super Base Gel is a 2-in-1, so you can use it as a base coat, but you can also use it as a nail tips glue gel as well. Now, I'm not going to be able to show you this today. I mean, I can do a swatch of it, but I'm going to be using this on my nails this week anyway. So if anyone wants to see this being used, keep your eyes out for that video, because I really want to give this a try on my nails. So when this cures as a tip gel, it cures completely clear, where some leave a little bit of a white finish. This cures completely clear. It's low odour, non-toxic. It's made from natural resin ingredients, making it not harmful to the skin. So let's have a little whiff of it to start with. Oh, it's got quite a nice smell to it, actually. I quite like that. It is rather thick, which is what we like when we're using it for a tips gel. But another thing about this that I like the sound of as well, because it's ultra sticky, it doesn't leave no air bubbles. That is one thing I hate when I apply full cover tips with a gel. You sometimes get the little air bubbles in it, which makes the nails a little bit weak. So I'm curious to see if this does leave any air bubbles. So yeah, like I say, I'm going to be using this on my nails this week, guys. So keep your eyes out for that video and we'll have a proper look at this product. And then what I probably will do is I'll probably decorate the nails using some of these. Right, let's have a quick look at the swatches very, very quickly, and then I'll let you all get off. And that is all the swatches, guys. So we've got the Silky White Series CG078, that gorgeous nude colour. We've got the Jelly Nude Gel JN62, the Jelly Nude Gel JN74, and then we've got the Moonlight Cap Magnetic Gel colour RM06. And that's over a clear and that's over a black. Stunning, aren't they? They're really, really pretty. I like them. So yeah, I'm going to get some nails on my hands this week using the Super Base Gel. And then I'll use some Born Pretty colours to decorate them. So guys, I have got something a little bit exciting to share with you. I can't tell you too much. So, I had an exciting email come from Born Pretty the other day. And they're bringing out a new series of gels. Now, I can't tell you too much about them, guys, because obviously they're not released yet. But I do know that they've sent a few out for me to share with you guys. And they are already on the way. So, keep your eyes peeled for that video, because these new gels, what are coming out, they sound really exciting. But not only do they sound exciting, they are going to be... Oh, how can I word this without saying too much? Basically, anyone is going to be able to use them. That's all I can really say without saying too much. But yeah, pretty much anybody is going to be able to use these gels. How exciting is that? That's really hard, guys, for me to... I really want to tell you all, but I can't because I'll get in trouble. But yeah, this parcel should be with me in, I would say, the next week. So, just over a week, give it, and I should have a video out on those. But I'm excited for them. That's all I'm going to say. I'm really excited to share them with you. So, all the products that I've showed you today, I'm going to leave the links for in my description box below. I have got a 10% off code for Born Pretty as well, guys, which is GG10. I'll leave that pinned in my comments along with the link to the Born Pretty website. So if anyone wants to go over and place an order, you can save yourself some coinage. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.